Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to model a pattern using Revit Family 2026. Open Revit, then go to Families, click on New, then select Furniture System, then press Open. Change the unit, press UN, then go to Length, let's make it meter, and the rounding to decimal. Then press OK, then OK. After that, go to Front, then go to Insert, Import CAD, select your Autocad file, then the import unit is meter, and the position, let's make it manual center, then press Open. Then drag it, let's drag it here. After that, we want to go to Create, then Extrusion. You can pick a line, each one is separated, or let's delete them, then let's go to the first thing, go to Create, then Extrusion. We are in Front, then go to Insert, go to Import CAD, then select your Autocad file again. The import unit the same as meter, and the position is manual center, then press Open. And here is our lines. Then press Finish. Let's show. We have like these lines not connected. Let's make them together. Then Finish. And also these lines. And here it is. This is our lines. Let's move them. Select all of them. Then go to Move. Let's pick this point. And let's put it on this point. After that, press Finish. Then go to 3D. Let's make it shaded. And here it is. You can change the thickness. Also, you can change the material.